You ain't say nothing? Girl, rude. Hey kittens, so I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. So I'm currently about to head to a bridal shower. It's for Sean's cousin. So I'm really excited. Girl, it was stressful trying to get ready because apparently I don't have formal attire. Y'all know me. I love my jeans. But anyway, so I'm supposed to go there, and then I'm supposed to meet my old co-worker slash friend Krista. We're about to go get some food after that, and then I will check back with you kittens. Okay, adios. Hey y'all, so currently in Dollar Tree. I forgot I need a bag, obviously for the bridal shower gift. So I need to get a bag and I need to get tissue paper. So let me show y'all. Those are cute. But I need like, that one's kind of cute too. And that. So I don't see like bridal shower only bags. I'm seeing wedding stuff. I'm getting nervous. Hold on. I found this one, but I don't know because I kind of still like that one. I might do this blue one. I'm getting this white tissue paper to put inside of that bag. And let's just them together. People don't tell you nothing. So hold on y'all, let me get myself together and then I have a quick story. So y'all saw me just in Dollar Tree, right? I'm getting everything I need to get to put all the little stuff in their gift bag, and I get my bag, like I turn, you know, to take off my backpack because I have like a backpack purse. So I went to take that off, and I realized that my zipper wasn't closed all the way. Like there was like a huge gap. Somebody could just reach their whole hand in, girl, and took my little wallet. And I'm like, people don't walk behind me when, okay, granted y'all, I should have been like checking and making sure my stuff was secure. But I'm like, y'all been walking behind me. You ain't even say, oh miss, your bag is unzipped. You ain't say nothing? Girl, rude, just rude. So anyway, I'm back in the car as y'all can tell. And I'm about to just put everything together, sign this card, and I'll be on my way. Sorry, that was rude. I mean, just cut y'all off. Y'all can watch me put the stuff in the bag if y'all think that's entertaining. All right. So let me show y'all what I got them first. So like it was on their registry, so they wanted like different things, but I just got like the like kitchen stuff or like Tupperware stuff. So like they, oh my gosh, that's so cute. So they wanted like reusable straws. So girl, get the straws. So I got these reusable straws, and then they wanted like sandwich bags, and I'll just do a picture of those because I don't want to touch those because I'm not trying to like contaminate them or whatever. This is really cute. It's just like a little thank you card. That's really cute. So yeah, so I got that for them, but it came in like this brown bag, so I'm not even gonna like take everything out. I'm gonna just leave it in here as they gave it to me. And then we got them some measuring spoons. Sorry. So we got them some measuring spoons, and it's in like this cute blue color. They're by KitchenAid, and they're just these right here. If y'all can see them, I think they're focusing. So I'm gonna just put these all together, and yeah, so y'all can watch me. Sorry that the camera is so low, girl. I ain't realized Sean's dash was so low, but then again, my seat is higher because I'm shorter. So that's probably why. But yeah. Oh, and I got some gum. I ain't show y'all. There's a man in a car in front of me, so it's kind of awkward. He probably think I'm talking to myself, or he probably like, what is this girl doing? But whatever, child. I'm minding my business. You should too. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna stuff this in this cute little bag. Y'all can't see it, but whatever. All right. Okay, anyway, kittens, so this is the bag that I got. It just says wedding wishes. It's blue, gold, and white. That's the tissue paper sticking out, and then let me show y'all the card. It's a cute little card. I almost forgot to get a card, and I was like, oh yeah, I probably should get a card. So this is the card. It just says, for your wedding shower, there's joy in the air today. And then on the inside, it says, hold on y'all, and many wishes for a lifetime of happiness. Congratulations. So yeah, all right. So I just want to show y'all my little quick journey to get this last minute stuff that I should have got a long time ago. But I'm about to be on my way. I'm gonna sign this card and then I'm gonna head to the bridal shower. So I will check back. It is super busy. I am crazy distracted by everything that's going on today because it's Saturday, it's the weekend, so everybody's out. But I will check back. Okay, adios. Hey kittens, I'm home. I'm tired. Sorry. I should have filmed when me and Krista were at what do you call it, Mexicano, but girl, I was ready for that fried ice cream. It was so good. It was just like, you know, so it was so good. Sean is scared me with Stranger Things. Look y'all, I got some shoes from GoJane and they just came in today. These so cute, these so cute. So they're clear, obviously, and yeah, so super excited about those. Can't wait for it to get warm because I'm going to be wearing them. Okay, but I'll probably end the vlog here for this day and I will check back in with you guys soon, kittens. Okay, adios. Sean, you got any words? You got any words? You and Cobra.
Yeah, where's my cookie cake? Fried ice cream.
We can go back if you want to.
Okay. I see what you did there.
Cobra, please. I'm busy. Too hungry to make this a mukbang. Starving, girl. Got me a quarter pounder with cheese. Got me some medium fries, and I got my diabetes drink. Got this good old sweet tea, girl. Look at Cobra in my lap. Cobra, I'm about to eat. Move. Move. Okay, bye kittens. Love y'all. Hey kittens. So I thought it would be rude to just be eating and not say hi to y'all. Girl, I was so hungry. I was going to do a mukbang, but I was like, I gotta eat this McDonald's, girl. But I hope y'all are doing good. I'm good. I'm having a good day today. Sorry. Telling you. Having a good day. So I just want to check in. See your faces. Miss you guys. Hope y'all are well. Excuse all the food. Alright. Adios, kittens.